I'm currently working as a postdoctoral fellow in Professor Fabio Cicoira's lab at Polytechnique Montréal, developing organic electronic devices and self-healing materials for bioelectronic applications.
We published a number of papers already with our V-One, and I hope this will continue with Nova. For instance, we were able to show that we can print a full transistor. For instance, we can print the electrodes, electronic material, and electrolyte or dielectric materials. So it was important for us because we could strengthen our position in the field of printed electronics, and also to try a range of materials, without spending too much time. This is the most important part, I think, the most important contribution that the Voltera products gave to our lab.
I'm working on wearable devices. I believe the next generation will be soft and mechanically deformable wearable device.
My research is to design a wearable device, for example, on a violin bow and a tennis racket. So we can use the device to improve the performance of violinists, and we can use the device to reduce the shoulder injury for the tennis player.
First of all, I use V-One for my first project, and then now I'm using Nova usually. Also use the conventional technique like photolithography or lifting off. The time I use all my days, maybe like a few days to make the devices, but with V-One, I could use only like few hours to make whole devices. Nova has a big, like a larger printing stage than V-One, so I really like because I can save my time too.
So far, we've seen pretty promising results in terms of the material flexibility and electrical properties. And because we know that the materials are biocompatible, this helps us to ensure their use in future bioelectronic applications.
The printer has a vacuum system, so when we put the substrate on it, this is one of the advantages I like.
For my research, it's important to control the quality of the films, the thin films that I am printing with Voltera Nova. So I think it's very interesting that the software gives the ability to control several parameters such as the dispense pressure, the nozzle, also the printing speed.
There are many like expensive printers having the many functions that I don't need to use. If someone is looking for like affordable printer, like having like high resolution printing function only, I highly recommend Voltera Nova.
We are very excited to see that our research could contribute to cost-effective medical diagnostics and wearable health monitoring that could benefit society at large.